Hi, Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Nur Azmira binti Sali. My maintain number 202321. So, I'm here. I want to finish my project CEL, project 2, task individual. So, I have been given one video about multi-sensory marketing and social influence. Yeah, I would like to answer 3 questions that I need to respond based on the video. So move to first question. Does advertisement influence your decision to buy a product? Explain. So my answer is yes, I will buy the product because the advertisement from that company very interesting, unique and amazing. It is because the company use the capture that can speed to promote the product. Other than that, the reason why I support their product is because they use the synthetic smell sausages at the capture. And the last reason why I support the product because they use error to guide customer to go to the booth to test it. So from that, the company convince customer of the deliciousness to buy their product. The second question is, beside the marketing strategy featured in the video in part 1, suggest other effective marketing strategy. So my strategy is survey similar product. For example, our product from different company, survey for to comparison from many ways. First, do some comparison in price, and then quality and quantity, and most important is ingredient about the product. So from that, customer can do some comparison, who is better. So the last question is, if you are a student entrepreneur, what would be the best way to advertise your product? So if I student, I will use social media to promote our product, because now in the era of smartphone has become the first steps to success. So the first thing first, I will create account social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and so on. From the social media, it's easy to student or people to know what product we promote. So I can so from the social media, I will post my picture product, and then I can give some some information, and at the same time I can give some review or feedback from my customer who time buy my product, to convening the others people to trust our product. So from the social media, they can many benefit and easy to us to promote our product. And the last, I can easy to blast, to promote and so on. I think that's all my response. Thank you.